In this video titled, How to Make $1 Million, Ways to Succeed, we will take you on an inspiring journey that shows how it is possible to make $1 million. First of all, I want to emphasize that making $1 million is not just about luck, but rather the result of certain strategies and disciplined work. Therefore, our first step will be to clarify our goal and identify the tools and resources we need to achieve it. There are many different ways to make $1 million. Some people succeed through entrepreneurship, some through investments, and others by using their talents and skills to stand out and earn big profits. However, no matter which path you choose, you must be willing to work hard, put in effort. Another important factor in being successful is being open to personal development and learning. Constantly improving yourself, learning new skills, and gaining different perspectives play a critical role in your success. Therefore, it is beneficial to devote a portion of your time to reading. However, one of the most important ways to make $1 million is taking risks. To achieve high profits, we must not be afraid to take high risks. However, it is important that these risks are manageable and strategically managed. Finally, disciplined work and focus on our goals are vital in making $1 million. Efficiently using time, taking planned steps, and following the necessary steps to achieve our goals are necessary to succeed. In this video, we will talk about examples that show that making $1 million is possible and discuss the steps necessary to succeed. Join us on this journey full of inspiring stories and practical advice, and discover the ways to be successful.
Join us on the road to success